So there are many different ways of creating content, and a way that I have not seen yet is creating stuff with your phone or your tablet. And for me personally, I love using my iPad, and for me personally, I've not seen really anybody utilize live streaming in this sort of a way. If you have seen anybody, feel free to comment down below. But other than that, my name's Natalia. I stream on the weekends because I am a college student and I'm on break, so that's kind of why I'm streaming almost every day during this break, because I love live streaming and I like to do that as like a fun thing to do. So I like to stream creative and draw. So yeah. So let me show you how I implement my live streams, and here's how I usually do it. I have my iPad screen right here, and so yeah, I have my iPad screen right here, but I also have my iPad screen right there, and I like to just draw. I like to draw and use AirServer as my screencasting program. And AirServer is an amazing program that you can use, and you have to have it installed on both iPad right here and both and your laptop. I use Windows, so for me personally, finding a way to screencast was pretty hard, because A, I have a Windows laptop, and B, Apple is very obnoxious and does not let you, as far as I know, it doesn't let you screencast it onto Windows. So I use a third-party app called AirServer. AirServer is a cool app that you have to install on both, and after you install them both, you then can have this amazing live stream. Let me show you the website, and bruh, it's really simple. You just click it. I already have it installed. I'm not gonna do that again because I can just ruin everything. And then I also got it installed right here. You just go to your app store right here, and oh, that's Discord. Lol. You just go, and then you're like, oh, AirServer. And with that, you install it. It's probably $10. I think it's $10 to $20. And you get it, and obviously you can connect it after you do the connection process. They have some instructions in the app right here. They instruct you a way to do that within the app, and then follow the directions, and then bada bing bada boom, Bob's your uncle. You got it, my dudes. And so with that, you can implement that as a game capture within OBS, and then with that you select a specific window, and then after that you just click on AirServer, and that's it. Kind of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, feel free to like it and comment down below. If you didn't like it, that's okay. I'm fine with that. But I gotta get to some streaming, so feel free to join my streams at twitch.tv/n_morkachi. So yeah, link is in the description below for all the things you need to live stream with your iPad. So yeah, bye.